Y-axis turning was added to the software to support new technologies that are coming out from cutting tool manufacturers. Y-axis turning has been around for a while, but it's becoming more prevalent. The machines are being modified to better support the Y-axis travel and the conditions that are needed in order to support the tooling. So it was important for us to add in this functionality into the product in order to support these tools. It was really mainly added to support fixed tooling, but it also has the ability in some machines to rotate that axis, to rotate the tool, which is what we call A-axis turning. And A-axis turning is really nice because you can get a tool into a smaller area than, say, B-axis turning, where you have to rotate the entire head and the tool behind it. So that if the tool holder is inside of there, it takes up space. When you're standing up the tool, you have a much smaller area, so you can get into tighter spaces. The Y-axis and A-axis turning is available in our mill turn platform for mill turn machines, and also for some of the simpler machines where you have a Y-axis on a turret. So you could have a single turret machine that has Y-axis travel, and that could also utilize the Y-axis tooling and the support that we've added. Machine configuration support was added several versions ago. We added in this ability to save off work holding and tool holding components into a library. Machine configuration support allows a user to store off their work holding and their tool holding components, as well as their tools, into a configuration file that can be reused easily. So when they go into the job setup process, they can easily pick something that they've already used. A lot of these machines, a lot of these job shops will have machines where they use the same tools over and over and over and over in the same places. And so rather than reloading and unloading and all of that, they just commonly reuse the same stuff. And this allows us to save those off into a configuration library and reuse them.